Alright, this is a check of It's Raining Here This Morning, written by Grandpa Jones. Version I heard was Norman Blake and Tony Rice. And this is mine. Raining, raining, raining here this morning. Sitting down, hang my head in shame. Smile, I try to greet each other down. Giving me a number for my name. Many little raindrops falling close to me. It's all the streams and rivers as muddy as can be. Raining, raining, raining here this morning. Mississippi rolls on to the sea. Wish I could see my little darling, hold her in my arms as before. Used to tell her every day I loved her. Now she doesn't want me anymore. She knew that I was guiltless of this one crime. Swore she'd be waiting there for me. She has found somewhere else to wander. The Mississippi flows out to the sea. Raining, raining, raining here this morning, and I am just as weary as can be. Wish that I could follow all the raindrops Mississippi toward that silver sea. There's no way to prove that I'm not guilty, so I'll have to suffer all this shame. Go ahead and telephone me, little raindrops. Giving me a number for my name. Giving me a number for my name. Giving me a number for your name.